Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back to Sharif's Kitchen. Today we are making falafel. It is an Arabian snack made out of chickpeas. For this preparation we need 1 onion. I'm using a food processor to chop this. If you don't have a food processor, that's fine. Use a blender. We'll add half a kilo of chickpeas. I've soaked this chickpeas overnight so that it is soft and cooks through. We don't need to add any water to this mixture, so be very careful. You may need to spend some time blending this. Once the chickpeas are finely blended, add the masala. We need 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon black pepper powder, and salt to taste. We're also adding half a cup of chopped coriander. Blend this up really well once again. And once this is done, you would want to add 3 tablespoons of flour. Use a spatula to mix this up before you blend them so that it gets blended evenly. And once this is done, use the mixture to make small falafel roundels. Heat some oil in a flat pan and add the falafel to it. Be very careful, do not overcrowd the pan. The falafel cooks pretty fast, so you only need to spend about 3 minutes to maximum 4 minutes and it will already turn into something golden like this. Once it's golden, you can take it off to a kitchen towel so it drains off the excess oil. And this is done. Now you could serve this with some mint chutney or any chutney of your choice. That's it. Falafel is done. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more recipes like this. Assalamu alaikum.